how to share Spotify Wrapped on Instagram story on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share Spotify Wrapped on Instagram story on Android or iOS phone. First thing to do here is to go to Spotify and then click play, and let's go to this one here. And now just wait for it, and here we'll find share, click on it, and that's it. Now just click stories, click this one, and then your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.